Skoda Auto Volkswagen India Private Limited has announced the resignation of Gurpratap Bopparai, Managing Director, with effect from 1st of January 2022. Christian Khan von Seelen will take interim charge of Volkswagen Group's Indian operations from next year onwards in his capacity as chairman of SAVW IPL. In a statement, Skoda said that the successor to Bopparai will be announced shortly. Gurpratap Bopparai headlined the India 2.0 strategy for the Volkswagen Group in the country, which has seen a number of launches from the automaker in the past several months. The reason for his resignation, though, has not been provided, and we wait to see where he heads next. Before his stint with Skoda Auto, Bopparai served as the CEO of Fiat India. He has also worked with Tata Motors, OCAP Chassis Parts, Iveco, and Tata Cummins, and has an experience of over 25 years in the Indian auto sector. Hyundai Motor India has announced its new The Drive Within campaign and has signed an MOU with 4 Indian women cricketers in a bid to support the sporting talent. The automaker has entered into an exclusive one-year association with Smriti Mandhana, Jemimah Rodrigues, Tanya Bhatia and Shefali Verma as brand ambassadors to highlight and celebrate their contribution to Indian cricket. Under the new brand campaign, Hyundai will highlight the winning stories of these 4 women cricketers through digital films. Hyundai is also partnering with the BCCI and will be an associate sponsor for all international matches at home.
We believe that this association between Hyundai and these 4 women cricketers, Smriti Mandhana, Jemimah Rodrigues, Tanya Bhatia and Shefali Verma, would be a very strong inspiration for so many other women who want to really pursue their passion and they want to make their passion their profession. So this is going to be a great association. Calendar year 22 is very important for women's cricket, and we have a ICC ODI, we have a ICC T20, and we have the Commonwealth as well. So I believe this association is going to be very, very meaningful.
Ola Electric has commenced deliveries of the new S1 and S1 Pro electric scooters in India today. The first batch of the electric scooters will be home delivered to customers from today onwards across the country. Customers had originally booked the scooter as early as 15th of August this year, when pre-bookings opened for 499 rupees. Since then, deliveries were delayed for a variety of reasons, including the chip shortage. There were also reports of battery heating issues, but they weren't confirmed by the manufacturer. For customers, the complete purchase process for the Ola S1 and S1 Pro has been made online, and prices start at 1 lakh rupees ex-showroom before the subsidies kick in. The next booking window will open in late January 2022.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.